गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम बात करेंगे हाउसेज एट टी पॉइंट। दिस इज अ मेजर टॉपिक and a major concern while selecting the plot for your any kind of purpose like residence or commercial. Houses at T point or commercials at T points is a major topic, and one should understand why we are avoiding on such a junction any plot. Because when energy is coming from the road directly to the plot, what happens? It hits the place, it hits the front part of your plot with the energy that is 108 times than the regular one, and whichever direction got hit by the road energy, which is in so big, I can say it is 108 times that we required in our lives, we are not able to take that blow. So it ultimately affects the all energy of all the other directions. So it is to be said that we must avoid buildings or plots at T junction. There are one or two exceptions at which this kind of hit is okay, but the percentage is very rare. So generally we can say that we have to avoid buildings at T point. One more example we can see. This is a Y junction where a plot is located. We should avoid this also. I am going to show you one more pic. See here, the road is ending on your plot. This is again, I can say, all the negativity of the road will just bring and dumped on your plot. Please avoid such kind of plots, and if you have, then remedy is a must to tackle this energy. One more thing about the plot is very common is the corner plot, where the corner is being curved. This kind of corner plots, if you are corner plots are very famous and very common, and people prefer to take the corner plot. But you see, one corner is completely missing and it is at curved. Whichever corner is missing, you won't get the energy of that direction. See, if this is a southeast corner is missing and due to road it has been made curved, the girl of the house, the lady of the house, the daughter of the house will have some problem in her life, and the cash crunch issue will be there. So if apart from the southeast, if any other corner is missing, you have to suffer from the deficit energy of that corner, means you won't get the energy of that missed corner. Again you can see, I'm just coming to that T-shaped junction, and what remedies we can do. We can place a Bagua mirror on the plot or building facing the T junction or Y junction, and if the road is ending also, in all the cases we can place a Bagua mirror. First thing we have to keep in mind that the Bagua mirror should be procured from the genuine source so that it can work accordingly, and the position of the Bagua mirror, that where you have to place. We calculate so many things to place the Bagua mirror, like width of the road I want, if I have to tell you that where to place the Bagua mirror, and the front portion of the plot I need. So these two things are to be required just to finalize the place of Bagua mirror. You can have a plantation, you can maintain greenery that will absorb most of the hit of the road. And third thing is Kaner plant. Kaner plant bearing white and yellow flowers are there to absorb the negative energy. So Kaner plant, almost greenery, you can have indoor plantation in your plot or house. And third, the most important is Bagua mirror. And while placing the Bagua mirror, we should know the plot front and the road width that is hitting your plot. So these are the remedies that can lower down the negativity up to 50 to 60%, and by making internal changes we can achieve most of the energy there. So this is very important, keep in mind. Thank you.